How to order Uber Eats for someone else. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can order Uber Eats for someone else. So let's get started with the video. Firstly, launch your Uber Eats app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Now pick a restaurant, browse through the Uber Eats app and select the perfect meal. Once you have selected the food that you want to order, now the most crucial part is in the location you will need to put in the address of the person you want to order for, and make sure to include all the details like apartment number or any special delivery instructions. One of the coolest features is that you can show real-time delivery update with recipient, and they don't even need to have the Uber Eats app. And in this way, they will know exactly when their meal is arriving. Finally, after you have entered all the details, proceed with the payment. And once you tap on confirm, your order will be placed. So that is how you can order Uber Eats for someone else. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.